Welcome to Investment Minded. You're in the right place because we're talking about how to buy your first multi-unit with as little as $17,500. It could be your money or someone else's money. Let's get started. You could buy your first multi-unit and have some residual or passive income to help you offset the mortgage. This is done with an FHA loan that you only need 3.5% down. So on a $500,000 property, that's $17,500. Not bad, not bad at all. Now the cool thing is that there's a limit for FHA and it's approved for 2023 all the way up to $1,089,000 purchase price. $1 million property. Imagine you have that big asset. I mean, talk about investment minded, but that is definitely to pay for your retirement or someone else's college tuition. And hopefully it's someone that you love because that's a lot of money. So let's break it down a little bit further. So FHA is a federal housing authority and they allow a low down payment amount. Usually you would have to put at least 20% down or 15% down for conventional, but FHA has allowed for less. Now, all that noise that you've been hearing about from people about FHA loans being super expensive, and that's not the case. They are a great program that actually has low PMI and 3.5% down, so it's less money out of the pocket. Yes, there are more risks, but hey, you're getting this huge asset. And loan level adjustments for Fannie and Freddie have evaporated. So it's become a very hot market for first-time homebuyers. They're trying to get this expenses low. It's March 2023 and rates are right now have just lowered from 6.5% to high fives. So the Fed just released data or they just announced that they're increasing the Fed funds rates by 1/4 point. So we know that rates are pretty high, but they are getting lower, and by the end of 2023, they should be low fives. Now let's go back to the FHA example. Let's say you buy a $500,000 property, you only need $17,500. That's right, $17,500 or 3.5% down. If it's $1 million property, that's 45 grand for $1 million house, $1 million asset. That's crazy. So you're paying the mortgage, but wait, you have an upper unit. Maybe it's a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and you can rent that out for 2 grand. So you're paying, living there only for $2,000, and your tenant is paying for your principal. And that's where you're gonna get the biggest ROI. It's not only 25%, it's more than that in your return if you're looking at payments to principal, appreciation, and the rental income. That's the key for a multi-unit. You're getting that rental income to double down. It's almost like you're paying more towards your principal and keeping more money in your pocket. So be investment minded, check out some multi-units. They are a huge value add, and I have so much more to say about multi-units. Keep tuned, and thanks again for joining me about FHA loans and how to use them to get into a house.